In today's video, I'm going to show you Shopify, how to set sale prices for products with variants. Setting sale prices in Shopify is straightforward when you're working with single products, but things get a little more detailed once you have variants like different sizes, colors, or materials. Nowadays, Shopify gives you full flexibility to apply discounts at the variant level so that each option can have its own original and sale price. This way, you can run promotions without affecting every variant at once. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard here and open the product section. Choose the product you want to put on sale. Now, scroll down to the variants area. Each variant is listed with its own pricing fields, so you can edit them individually. Click on the variant you'd like to discount, and you'll see two price fields, price and compare at price. The price is the actual selling price your customer will pay. The compare at price is the higher original price that will display crossed out on your storefront. To create a sale, enter the original price into the compare at price field, then enter the discounted price into the price field. For example, if a shirt variant was originally $50 and you're now selling it for $35, you'd set the compare price to 50 and the price to 35. Shopify will automatically display this as a sale on your storefront. You can repeat this process for as many variants as you'd like, meaning some variants can be discounted while others remain at their normal price. If you want to apply a sale across multiple variants quickly, you can bulk edit them. Simply check the boxes next to the variants, click Edit, and then adjust their price and compare at price in the bulk editor. Once saved, your storefront will show the sale prices clearly, giving customers that visual incentive to purchase. This method not only creates urgency, but also makes your discounts look professional and trustworthy. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.